In this video, I want to look at the function y equal cotangent x. For this, it's important to remember that cotangent of x is the same as y equal cosine x over sine x. So we are going to start by graphing cosine x and sine x. We've already done this in a previous video, so I'm going to just graph them quickly. So this is cosine x, and sine x looks like this. And so if we're graphing cotangent x, we are going to have a asymptote every time the sine of x is equal to 0. And we are going to have cotangent of x is going to equal to 1 or negative 1 whenever cosine of x and sine x are equal. So we're going to have that point, and that point, and that point, and that point. And we're going to get the cotangent of x is equal to 0 whenever the cosine of x is equal to 0. So we're going to get that point and that point. And what we're left with then is a function that looks like this. And that's what the cotangent graph looks like. The domain of the cotangent graph is all values of x except when x is equal to k times pi for integer values of k, which means that the asymptotes are x equal k times pi for integer values of k. Then we have zeros look like pi over 2 plus k pi, comma 0 for integer values of k. Our range is negative infinity to infinity, and we have a period of pi. And that is the cotangent graph.